Okay guys, I'm here at the Cousins. Let me show you my material. This here is the CO2 tank. Yeah, there it is, the tank. Pistol I bought. It's the $19 Daisy one that you can get. This is apparently a power line. Let's see if it can focus in there. I guess it didn't go focus in. It's a power line 426. Now this one I already had. This is a cheap $9 one. It still shoots the 177 metal BBs. It still shoots them. So yeah, I got that gun too. I got these here. These are supposed to be better performance. Then oh yeah, and I bought a crap ton of CO2 tanks than these. So yeah, and these are just ordinary silver ones, and I went ahead and picked up a 98-cent one in case we do start running low with these. I hope we don't get too crazy with these. I kind of would like to hold on as much of those as I can, you know, because they actually do perform a lot more than those, you know, so I kind of don't want to run through these, and plus it's like $5 per one of these things. So yeah, but okay guys, I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna get the Cousins. We're gonna do this stuff, okay? I'll be back. Going upstairs. Okay, I had something for us to do. Yeah. Hey man. In the dark like Dracula.
Son of a... Try to call down,
He's finishing. He's gonna have shield, I think.
Still playing this?
Yes.
What's going on here? Jesus Christ. What the hell is this? What the hell is with the smoke?
Magical.
Question, I had something for us to do.
What?
Well, I got the guns, I got the box, I got the ammo, the CO2 tanks. Let's do some target practice.
I don't think man's gonna let us shoot out here.
I have to take that one in, man. We're firing them right now.
Dude, they aren't that loud. Not even the CO2 tank.
I know, but you know how she gets. So,
I'm not gonna hit you hard.
The thing is, they got what I had confused. They thought I had real guns, but until I finally explained to them that I had BB guns, you know, and they were like, oh, it's pellet guns. So I'm gonna be setting up now. Okay, here's the door. And okay, here we go. Gonna start setting up now. Hold the camera.
How about I give it a try with the CO2?
Can someone hold the camera?
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Dude, you have to, okay, look, so the bottom. You see that thing? Dude.
There's a shirtless man holding a pistol. You can't figure out how to pull out the mag.
Dude, you have to pull this thing out all the way with both your hands. And see. Right on. No, if you're trying to release all the BBs, then you have to do that. Place them in there. Good, a massive shake full load. You're ready to go. Alright, well.
Nope.
You wanna shoot with us? You got it full?
Come on. The next time you come through and slam the door, I'm gonna take your pellet gun and shoot you in your own with your own gun. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Josh.
on Harlem Night, I'm gonna shoot you in your goddamn pinky toe if you slam that door one more time.
You can definitely tell the difference in power between the CO2 and the cockback.
Yeah.
I feel like with the CO2, I was a lot.
Shut up.
Lot more accurate.
Which one's the cockback? That one?
Safety's off.
He's got the
I
CO2.
called that on cockback.
Range is open.
Open, buddy.
Now, I don't want to hear anybody else talking shit about how I missed the ball. Because at least I hit one.
Okay, we're still at it.
Misses every shot. Y'all didn't hit that once!
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I will be back with more content later. I will see you guys later.